Hi, it's Danny with another video on the shoulder blades. We had a bit of toning for the serratus. Let's have the opposite. Just off screen here, I've got a nice anchor for a band. So we can use the rhomboids and mid traps to retract, to draw that shoulder blade nearer the spine. Show you from the other side. So next time you're doing a bit of toning in your workout, some strength training, this would be the beginning of a row, the beginning of a pull-up. So just check in with that shoulder blade retraction. You might find you're lacking here and need to include that as part of your routine. So let's consider not just the mobility and the movement, but closing the chain and using bands as part of the support of the shoulder girdle here. Thanks for joining in today.